Now I will show you how you can find the intersecting regions or the overlapping polygons of different shapefiles. For this we are going to use the intersect tools. You can find it in ArcGIS toolbox, analysis tools. In overlay you're gonna find the intersect tool. Double click on it, give all the input feature from which you want to find the intersecting region, set the output location, and the most important point, give the tolerance 0. If you give the if you gonna change gives any other tolerance, it will gonna affect the results of the intersecting region, because it will increase or decrease the size of the overlapping region. So if you want to select just overlapping region exactly according to the polygons, give the tolerance 0, and the unit doesn't matter when you are giving 0, and click OK. What intersect tool does, it finds the overlapping regions of the two polygons and it write it into another feature class. And so you can see it is processed. The first region, the first polygon was this and the second polygon was this, and as you can see the overlapping region was something like this and this. So the output result was exactly the according to the polygons. uh, it traces the this region from this polygon shapefile and this region from this polygon shapefile. So this is how you use the intersect tool to find the overlapping regions. So thank you, subscribe and like the video.